My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Audi A3. This vehicle has done 74,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, Bluetooth, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our drive select button, where we can switch between our 5 different driving modes: comfort, auto, dynamic, individual and efficiency. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.